Hello everyone, welcome back to EduLife One Step Ahead. Central Sanskrit University, Janakpuri, New Delhi advertisement notification release করা হয়েছে for engagement of various contractual positions at headquarter office of the Central Sanskrit University, Delhi. সেন্ট্রাল সংস্কৃত ইউনিভার্সিটি দিল্লি ব্রাঞ্চে বিভিন্ন পোস্টে কন্ট্রাকচুয়াল রিক্রুটমেন্টের জন্য নোটিফিকেশান রিলিজ হয়েছে। দ্য সেন্ট্রাল সংস্কৃত ইউনিভার্সিটি দিল্লি ইজ লুকিং ফর এনগেজমেন্ট of various contractual positions at the headquarter office of the university at Janakpuri, New Delhi, purely on temporary and contract basis for a period of 11 months, which may be extended as per requirement. Interested candidates who possess requisite qualifications and other eligibility criteria may apply through online and appear in the online test and or interview. Number of contractual positions, qualification, experience এবং remuneration নিচে দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। প্রথম পোস্টটি হচ্ছে একাডেমিক কনসালটেন্ট, একটি ভ্যাকেন্সি, রেমুনারেশন বিটুইন 60K to 75K পার মান্থ ফিক্সড, এজ প্রেফারেবলি বিলো 65 ইয়ার্স। কোয়ালিফিকেশান হচ্ছে এসেন্সিয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান master degree from a recognized university, minimum 10-year experience in academic consulting or advising or administration, teaching at university or college or government of India or state government, not below the rank of under secretary or assistant professor or equivalent. Desirable qualification হচ্ছে strong background in academic research, publication, writing legal documents, statutes, ordinance, policies and guidelines related to academics, making policy matters, crucial documents, acts and regulations, excellent communication, interpersonal and organizational skills, working knowledge of computer. Nature of duties হচ্ছে develop and review legal documents, statutes, ordinance, policies and guidelines related to academics, assist with the vetting of memoranda of understanding, assist with accreditation process, data maintenance for academic programs and academic auditing, provide the service in future institutional growth. নেক্সট হচ্ছে লিগাল অফিসার পোস্ট, একটি ভ্যাকেন্সি, রেমুনারেশন বিটুইন 60K to 75K পার মান্থ ফিক্সড, এজ প্রেফারেবলি বিলো 60 ইয়ার্স। এসেন্সিয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান হচ্ছে LLB from a recognized Indian universities or institution with at least 60% of marks or an equivalent grade point in the grade point scale এবং at least 5 years experience of law practice in a court of law in the civil or criminal or service matter duly certified, or LLM from the recognized Indian universities or institution with at least 55% marks or an equivalent grade point in the grade point scale এবং at least 2 years experience of law practice in a court of law in the duly certified civil or criminal or service matter. Work role হচ্ছে handle legal cases, lies with internal or external counsel or advocates and prepare legal documents, process RTI applications, draft responses and assist with ICC matters, manage grievance on PM, UGC and other grievance redressal portals, provide legal advice on regulatory and compliance matters, draft, review and finalize MoU and agreements, assist in formulating and implementing legal policies, ensure organizational compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, represent the organization in legal forums and coordinate with authorities. Next post হচ্ছে পাবলিক রিলেশন অফিসার, ওয়ান পজিশন, রেমুনারেশন বিটুইন 50K to 60K পার মান্থ ফিক্সড, এজ প্রেফারেবলি বিলো 40 ইয়ার্স। এসেন্সিয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান হচ্ছে MJMC with at least 55% marks, at least 2 years experience in the editorial department or central of any central or state government department or PSU or central or state educational institution established English or regional newspaper accredited with ABC, national news agencies, radio or television, film media, reputed advertising agencies with excellent command of speaking in English, Hindi or Sanskrit, or BJMC with at least 55% marks, post-graduation in any field, at least 5 years experience in the editorial department or central or state government department or PSU or central or state educational institution established, English or regional newspaper accredited with ABC, national news agencies, radio or television, film media, reputed advertising agencies with excellent command of speaking in English, Hindi and Sanskrit, good working knowledge of computer applications. Work role হচ্ছে established and maintain strong media relationship to promote university initiative and events, develop and implement strategies to propagate the university vision and mission, organize and coordinate events, conference and other engagements for the university, manage communication through various platforms such as digital media or print media or electronic media to ensure accurate and consistent messaging, facilitate clear and effective communication between various university departments and staff, collaborate with social media or publication or admin teams with maintaining branding consistency across all public materials, build and manage relationships with key stakeholders including alumni, teaching association, government bodies, media stakeholders, etc., creating comprehensive and innovative reports for the university and the related stakeholders, monitor media coverage and public sentiment, providing regular reports on PR efforts. Next post হচ্ছে সিস্টেম অ্যানালিস্ট, একটি পজিশন, রেমুনারেশন 60K to 75K per month fixed, age preferably below 40 years. Essential qualification হচ্ছে BE or BTech in computer science and engineering or electronics engineering, 5 years programming experience in language like C or C++ or Java, etc., database MySQL or Oracle with PHP, etc., foundations and practices under Windows or Linux or Unix platforms from a recognized public or PUS or private organization, or ME or MTech in computer science and engineering or electronics engineering or MSc computer science or MCA, 3 years programming experience in language like C or C++ or Java, etc., database MySQL or Oracle with PHP, etc., foundation and practices under Windows or Linux or Unix platforms from a recognized public or PUS or private organization. Desirable হচ্ছে data science or analysis or AI or VR or AR or advanced Excel. Work role হচ্ছে analyze university system requirements and design software solution to support academic and administrative function, develop, test and implement applications for university management, student records and other internal systems, write, debug and maintain efficient code for university specific software applications, design, develop and manage database to ensure accurate and secure student, faculty and course data, ensure seamless integration of university systems with hardware, software and network infrastructure, troubleshoot and resolve issues related to university system, software and hardware performance, collaborate with university departments to understand their technical needs and develop customized software solution, provide technical support and training to staff and students on using university systems effectively, monitor and optimize the performance of university systems, ensuring reliability and user satisfaction, providing support for startups and incubation programs with the university, developing various applications for different purposes to enhance university operations and stay updated with technological advancement and apply industry-based practices to enhance university IT systems. Next post হচ্ছে ট্রেনিং অ্যান্ড প্লেসমেন্ট অফিসার, একটি পজিশন, রেমুনারেশন 50K to 60K per month fixed, এজ প্রেফারেবলি বিলো 40 ইয়ার্স। এসেন্সিয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান হচ্ছে পোস্ট গ্র্যাজুয়েশন ফ্রম আ রেকগনাইজড ইন্ডিয়ান ইউনিভার্সিটিস or institution with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade point in the grade point scale, at least 2-year experience in training or placement, desirable MBA HR. Work role হচ্ছে organize and coordinate campus placement activities, ensuring students relate to potential employees for job opportunities, develop and conduct training programs that enhance students' professional skills and career readiness, build and maintain partnerships with industries or institutions to offer internships that provide practical experience for students, establish and maintain relationship with industry partners and institutions to create placement and networking opportunities for students, provide career counseling and guidance to students on job search strategies and interview preparation, promote the university's strength to potential employers and raise awareness about student skills, maintain an alumni network to create mentorship opportunities and job leads, organize job fairs, requirement leveled drives and institution visits to facilitate students' placements, track placement metrics including success rate, salary package and job roles, collaborate with industry experts to organize workshops for students, facilitate soft skills development workshop for students to enhance communication and be job ready. Next post হচ্ছে accounts officer audit, one position, remuneration between 50K to 60K per month fixed, age preferably below 65 years. Essential qualification হচ্ছে MCOM or CA or MBA finance or CA or equivalent degree in finance field with at least 15 years of experience in auditing. Desirable হচ্ছে retired employee from an central or state government department or autonomous body or PSU or central or state educational institution possessing appropriate degrees and relevant experience, strong understanding of accounting principles or auditing standards, GEM, GFR rules. Work role হচ্ছে oversee and conduct internal audits of the university's financial operations to ensure accuracy and compliance with policies, review and verify financial statements, reports and records for consistency and correctness, ensuring compliance with government regulation, ensure compliance with university policies, government regulation, accounting standards, government e-marketplace guidelines and general financial rules, prepare audit plans, schedules and reports based on findings and submit them to senior management for review, assess financial risks and recommended improvements for financial controls, procurement process and financial operation, collaborate with external auditors and facilitate their review of the university's financial statements and procurement process, assist in the preparation of annual budget and financial forecast, IRG plans, process for cost optimization while ensuring compliance with GFR and GEM guidelines, ensure proper documentation of retention of financial records in compliance with regulatory requirements, conduct complaints audits to ensure adherence to taxation laws, procurement procedures and other financial regulation. Next হচ্ছে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট এডিটর পোস্ট, একটি পজিশন, রেমুনারেশন 50K per month fixed, age preferably below 60 years. Essential qualification হচ্ছে MA or আচার্য in Sanskrit or related field. Prior experience in editing, proofreading or writing is typically required. Familiarity with specific industries can also be beneficial. Good academic record with good publication and standard research articles in established journal. Desirable PhD. Key skill হচ্ছে language proficiency, attention to detail, knowledge of style guides, critical thinking, research skill, computer proficiency. নেক্সট পোস্ট হচ্ছে প্রুফ রিডার, দুটি পজিশন, রেমুনারেশন 30K per month fixed, এজ প্রেফারেবলি বিলো 50 years. এসেন্সিয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান হচ্ছে MA or আচার্য ইন সংস্কৃত or related field. Prior experience in editing, proofreading, or writing is typically required. Familiarity with specific industries can also be beneficial. Key skills হচ্ছে language proficiency, attention to detail, knowledge of style guides, critical thinking, research skill, computer proficiency. নেক্সট পোস্ট হচ্ছে ডিজাইনার ফর পাবলিকেশন, একটি পজিশন, রেমুনারেশন 35K পার মান্থ ফিক্সড, এজ প্রেফারেবলি বিলো 40 ইয়ার্স। এসেন্সিয়াল কোয়ালিফিকেশান হচ্ছে ডিগ্রি ইন গ্রাফিক ডিজাইন, ফাইন আর্টস অর পাবলিশিং, courses in typography, layout design, color theory, and digital tools are also preferable. Prior experience in book design showcasing diverse style and formats. Familiarity with specific industries can also be beneficial. Key skill হচ্ছে book design and illustration, computer proficiency, familiarity with digital book creation tools like Affinity Publisher or EPUB software, layout and composition, understanding of book format. এখানে কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট গাইডলাইন্স দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। ডাইরেক্ট লিঙ্ক ফর সাবমিশন অফ অনলাইন প্রফার্মা এনগেজমেন্ট হচ্ছে https://cntp.sanskrit.ac.in. Candidates are required to submit the application form through online and upload necessary attachment as a single PDF in application form in step 4, latest by 5th May 2025 at 6:30 p.m. The schedule of conducting examination and or interview, whichever is applicable, will be displayed on CSU website under recruitment tab in due course. Hence, candidates are advised to visit CSU website regularly regarding the process and schedules and other updates. The detail for test and or interview will be shared before 1 week of schedule, and the candidates will be informed accordingly through email only. Hence, the candidates are advised to check their email including spam folder regularly. The University Reserve Act, the number of requirements of above mentioned position may increase or decrease as per requirement or decision of the component authority. In case any candidate fails to appear for test or interview due to any technical reason or internet problems or any incidental cause, the university shall not be responsible for that. No other compensation apart from consolidated remuneration will be admissible, even if attend the office on holidays and work beyond normal office hours. Merely attending the test and interview and issuing offer of engagement subsequently will not email the candidate for claiming the engagement unless the candidate fulfill the requisite eligibility criteria for engagement as per advertisement and documental verification. For any technical problems faced during registration or online application etc., contact support-recruitment@csu.co.in. এখানে কিছু টার্মস অ্যান্ড কন্ডিশনও দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। এই হচ্ছে সম্পূর্ণ অ্যাডভার্টাইজমেন্ট ডিটেলসটি। এই রিলেটেড যদি আর কোনো কোয়ারি আপনাদের থেকে থাকে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবেন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে কাইন্ডলি লাইক কমেন্ট করে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে এই জাতীয় জব রিলেটেড এবং হায়ার এডুকেশন রিলেটেড ভিডিও পেতে সঙ্গে থাকবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।